Hey TechVibes fam, what's up? You've got a Sony Bravia, and it's a beautiful piece of tech. But sometimes even the best TVs can feel a little off. Maybe the picture isn't popping like you thought it would, or the sound just doesn't hit right. Or, let's be real, the whole interface feels a bit sluggish. You know that feeling. You invested in a premium TV, and you want it to perform like one. It's totally understandable. You deserve an epic viewing experience. And guess what? There are a ton of hidden settings on your Sony Bravia that can unlock its true potential. Seriously, nobody talks about these enough, and they can be total game changers. I've been digging deep into the Bravia OS, and I've found 15 tweaks that will transform your TV. From making your picture jaw-dropping, to boosting your sound, to making everything super snappy. So stick with me. We're going to go step by step. And if one tip doesn't quite hit the spot, just move on to the next one. Keep going until your Bravia is perfectly tuned. And when you find the setting that makes you say, wow, do me a solid, drop a comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite, or which one finally fixed your issue. Your feedback helps everyone in the TechVibes community. Let's dive in. First up, let's unlock your Bravia's true picture power with Netflix calibrated mode or IMAX enhanced mode. Your TV has these for a reason, to give you the creator's vision, but they're often tucked away. Here's how to find them. First, make sure you're actually watching content from Netflix or an IMAX enhanced source. That's key. Now grab your remote, press the settings button. It often looks like a gear icon or a quick settings icon. Navigate down to display and sound, then select picture. Look for picture mode. Change it to custom or cinema. Now, while playing a compatible title, you might see options like Netflix calibrated mode or IMAX enhanced mode appear. Select it. Your picture will instantly snap into a more accurate, stunning presentation. This is a no-brainer for movie lovers. Next, let's talk about making your sound immersive with acoustic auto-calibration. Many high-end Bravias use the screen itself as a speaker, which is wild, but getting the sound just right for your room is crucial. This setting does it automatically. Pick up your remote, press the home button, it looks like a house. Go to settings, that's the gear icon again. Scroll down to display and sound, then select sound. Look for acoustic auto-calibration. You might need to plug in the special mic that came with your TV for this. Follow the on-screen prompts. Your TV will play a series of test tones. And adjust the sound specifically for your room's acoustics. It's like having a sound engineer calibrate your speakers. Super cool, and it makes a huge difference. Okay, tip number 3 is all about speeding things up. Let's make your Android TV interface super snappy by tweaking developer options. Yes, your TV has them. Pick up your remote, hit the home button, go to settings, the gear icon. Scroll down and select system, then navigate to about. Find build number. It might be near the bottom. Now here's the trick. Press the OK or Enter button on build number about 7 times rapidly. You'll see a little message pop up saying, you are now a developer. Pretty neat, huh? Go back one step to the System menu. You should now see a new option. Developer Options. Select it. Scroll down to find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Set all 3 of these to 0.x or even off. This significantly reduces the visual delays in the interface, making your TV feel much faster. Moving on to number 4, let's make your Bravia smarter with Ambient Optimization Pro. This isn't just about automatically adjusting brightness. It fine-tunes picture and sound based on your room's environment. Head to the home menu, select Settings, then Display and Sound, find Picture. Look for Ambient Optimization Pro or Light Sensor Settings. Make sure it's turned on. This feature uses sensors to detect the light in your room and even how far you are from the screen. Then it intelligently adjusts the picture brightness, color, and even sound balance to give you the best experience no matter the time of day. It's a genius feature for effortless viewing, and it just works. Next up, feature number 5. Are you tired of your TV randomly switching inputs or turning on other devices? Let's get HDMI CEC Bravia Sync under control. While HDMI CEC is convenient for device communication, it can be a pain. Press the home button, go to Settings, select External Inputs, then Bravia Sync Settings. Here you can enable or disable Bravia Sync control entirely. Or, more precisely, manage individual devices. You can also turn off Auto Input Change (MHL) or Device Auto Power Off. Experiment with these. Sometimes turning off Bravia Sync control completely is the easiest fix for erratic behavior, but you might lose some convenience. Find the balance that works for you. Okay, for tip number 6, let's reclaim your storage and boost performance by uninstalling bloatware apps. Your Bravia comes with a bunch of pre-installed apps, and honestly, some of them you'll never use. They just hog space and resources. Hit the home button, go to settings, select apps, then see all apps. Scroll through the list. If you see an app you don't use, select it, then choose uninstall. If uninstall isn't an option, you can usually select disable and force stop. This stops it from running in the background and consuming memory. It's a great way to free up valuable storage and make your TV feel much more responsive. Now for number 7, let's make sure your sound is always perfect with Voice Zoom 2. This is especially helpful if you struggle to hear dialogue clearly in movies or shows with loud background music or effects. Pick up your remote, press the home button, go to settings, then display and sound. Select sound, look for Voice Zoom 2 or Dialogue Enhancer. Turn this feature on. Your Bravia will intelligently detect voices and boost their clarity without making everything else sound weird. It's a lifesaver for those action-packed scenes where you just can't hear what people are saying, and it makes a huge difference for comfortable viewing. Feature number 8 is about optimizing Wi-Fi performance. Sometimes your TV's Wi-Fi can feel slow, even if your internet is fast. There are a couple of hidden tricks. Go to the Home menu, select Settings, then Network and Internet. Make sure your TV is connected to your router's 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if possible. It's usually faster. You might see 2 network names, one ending in 5G or similar. Also, look for IP settings or advanced Wi-Fi settings. Try setting your TV to use a static IP address outside of your router's DHCP range, or try changing the DNS servers to Google's 8888 and 8844. Sometimes default DNS servers can be slow. These tweaks can provide a more stable and quicker connection, especially for streaming. Coming in at number 9, let's refine your picture for different content with advanced picture presets. Beyond just custom or cinema, Bravias often have specific presets for things like sports or graphics, and you can fine-tune them. Hit the settings button on your remote. Go to display and sound, select picture. Here, choose your desired picture mode. Now below that, you'll find individual settings like brightness, contrast, gamma, black level, color, and hue. Instead of just leaving them on default, adjust them slightly. For sports, you might want a brighter picture and slightly boosted motion. For gaming, you might want specific color profiles. Spend a little time here. Each mode can be independently adjusted, giving you perfect picture for every scenario. It's all about personalization. Thanks for watching and enjoy your optimized Sony Bravia experience. And for tip number 10, let's make sure your TV knows when to shut down with power saving and idle TV power off. No one wants their TV running all night. It's a waste of energy and not great for the TV. Press the home button. Go to settings, select system, then power and energy. Look for eco settings or idle TV power off. You can set your TV to automatically turn off after a period of inactivity, like 1 hour, 4 hours, or 12 hours. This is a super handy feature, especially if you tend to fall asleep watching a movie, or just forget to turn the TV off. It saves energy and gives you peace of mind. Alright, tip number 11. Did you know you can remap the input button for faster access to your favorite source? Your remote has an input button, but you can often customize what it does. On some Bravia models, if you press and hold the input button for a few seconds, a menu will pop up, allowing you to assign your most used input, like HDMI 3, PS5, or Chromecast, as the default. So a single press goes straight there, no more scrolling through all the inputs. Check your specific model's settings or user manual. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in daily convenience. It's all about making your TV work for you. Number 12. Optimizing your gaming experience with enhanced format HDMI settings. If you're a gamer with a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, this is critical for 4K 120Hz or VRR. Hit the home button, go to settings, select external inputs, then HDMI signal format. For the HDMI port your console is connected to, change the setting from standard format to enhanced format, or enhanced format VRR, or enhanced format Dolby Vision. This unlocks the full bandwidth of the HDMI 2.1 port, allowing for those high refresh rates and variable refresh rate features. If you don't do this, you're missing out on a huge part of your console's potential. It's a must-do for modern gaming. Here's tip number 13. Connecting Bluetooth headphones for private listening. Sometimes you want to enjoy your shows without disturbing anyone else. Your Bravia can do that. Press the home button, go to settings, select remote and accessories, then Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. Your TV should then scan for and find your headphones, select them from the list, and boom, you've got private, immersive sound, perfect for late-night binge watching, or when you just want to get lost in your audio. It's a total game changer for personal viewing. Moving on to number 14, creating custom user profiles for different family members. If multiple people use your Bravia, you can create separate profiles, each with its own app layout, watch history, and even picture settings. Hit the Home button. Look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It often looks like a person's head. Select it. Then choose Add Account or Manage Accounts. Follow the prompts to set up new user profiles. Each profile can have its own Google account linked and its own personalized experience. It's fantastic for households and prevents everyone's recommendations from getting mixed up. So much cleaner. And finally, for our bonus tip, number 15, the hidden Power On by Bluetooth device setting. Did you know you can often set your Bravia to turn on when a specific Bluetooth device connects? This is super cool for smart home integrations or just convenience. Press the Home button, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, then Remote Start or Power On by Bluetooth device. Enable this setting. Now, when your phone or other paired Bluetooth device connects, your TV can automatically power on. Imagine walking into the room and your TV just springs to life. It's a neat little trick that adds a touch of magic to your smart home. Whew, that was a lot. But hopefully your Sony Bravia is now living up to its full potential. These 15 hidden settings can seriously elevate your viewing experience and make those frustrating moments a thing of the past. So now it's your turn. Did you try any of these tips? Which one was your favorite? Or did you find an even cooler hidden Bravia feature I missed? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you want more tech tips and tricks that actually make a difference, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, TechVibes fam. Stay tuned for more awesome tech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.